How to remove suggested post on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video I will show you step by step on how to remove or how to delete all suggested posts on your Instagram. So all you have to do now, after you open up your phone like this now, so to delete the suggested post on your Instagram, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this now, go to this menu at the top right side. Go to this menu. After you open this menu now, all you have to do now, scroll to down until you find this option which says this one. As you can see here, it says suggested content, so tap on it. Suggested content, this one. So after you open this suggested content, as you can see now, here is the option. As you can see here, it says content from accounts you don't follow. So all you have to do now, make sure you turn on this option here. It says snooze suggested post in feed, so turn it on. So as you can see now, here it says suggested posts are hidden in feed for 30 days or more. As you can see now, or more days. So now Instagram will stop showing you suggested posts on your Instagram. That's it guys on how to delete suggested posts on your Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.